Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So today we are going to cover those topics which I had left yesterday. So yesterday I had taught you till the Coulomb's law, and now we are going to start from the topic conductors. So firstly, what is conductor? The substance which let electric charges flow across them easily without providing any resistance, considerable resistance, are called conductors. So we can write it like this. So here you can see the definition of conductors. So any example of conductors are metals, aqueous solution of salt or acid or base. Now the next topic is insulators. So what are insulators? The substances that do not allow the electric charges to flow through them easily are called insulators. Now you can write the definition like, now you can write this definition: the substance which do not allow the electric charges to flow through them, or the substance which provide very high resistance to the flow of electric charges for the insulators. Now the next topic is electric potential. So what is electric potential? You can say that electric potential is the ability of a charged body to repel or attract another charged body. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. Electric potential is defined in the term of work done in bringing a charge near a charged body. It means that the work done for bringing another charged body from one point to another point. Like this is point A and this is point B, and we have to bring a charged body from here to here, and the work done to bring this charged body from point B to A or A to B is called electric potential. And the formula of electric potential is work done upon charge, and we represent electric potential by V. So we can write it as V equal to W upon Q. V is the SI unit of electric potential, and the SI unit of work done is joule, and the SI unit of charge is C. So we can write it joule upon coulomb. This joule per coulomb is also called volt, and this is the SI unit of electric potential. Now in exams, a question comes like that: define 1 volt. So how will you define 1 volt? We can define it by electric potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 coulomb charge from infinity to that point. Now here is the definition of 1 volt. Electric potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point. Now you will think that earlier I had told you the electric potential means the work done to bring one charge from one point to another. It is potential difference. It was potential difference, and the definition of potential difference is it is the difference of potentials between 2 points in the electric field of charged body. Earlier I had told you the work done to bring a charged body from one point to another. It is same like potential difference. Now imagine there are 2 points. This is A and this is point B. Now the potential at A is VA and the potential at B is VB, and the charged body, just imagine that charged body is at the point A. Now if we will take the charged body from A to B, the work done will be means VA, and VAB is the potential difference. So equal to, and the potential difference will be VB minus VA equal to W upon Q. So this is delta V. Delta V is the difference of delta V is the difference of the potential differences between 2 points, and SI unit of this potential difference is V, volt, and it can be represented by joule per coulomb. Now our next topic is electric current. So electric current is the net flow of electric charge per unit time. Here is its definition, and you can represent it by I equal to Q upon T. I is written for electric current, and Q is the charge, T is the time. As you have read the properties of electric charge, you would know that Q means charge is equal to Ne. Q equal to Ne in the quantization of charge. So we can write current is equal to Ne upon T. Replace Q by Ne. Now current is a scalar quantity, because in 9th or 8th you would have learnt about the scalar and vector quantity. The quantity which have only magnitude are called scalar quantity, and the quantities which have mass or magnitude as well as a direction, they are called vector quantities. So electric current has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is ampere. Represented by A. In exams it can also be asked like what is 1 ampere, or define 1 ampere. So you can define 1 ampere by writing current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge flow through it, means any conductor, in 1 second. Here is the definition, and discoverer of current was Andre Marie Ampere. It is the name of the scientist who had discovered current. Here it is, Andre Marie Ampere, and it was named, the SI unit of electric current is named ampere in the respect of Andre Marie Ampere. Now in exams, examiner can ask one more question like what is the direction of current, or what is the direction of electrons. So in a circuit, the current flows from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. Now here you can see a diagram of a circuit. This is a conductor through which wires are connected with the battery, and the direction of current is this, from positive terminal to the negative terminal. And you can imagine that electrons are there in this conductor. Now the direction of electrons is just opposite to the direction of current. So if the current is flowing through this direction, the electrons will flow through this direction. They will flow from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the battery. They will flow in this direction. This thing I had taught you, just this thing, the direction of flow of current from positive to negative terminal of the battery, and the direction of electrons from negative to positive terminal of the battery. Now for today this is enough. Now in the next video we will cover the components of a circuit. Firstly, what is circuit? It is the schematic. A circuit is a closed and continuous path through which electric current flows. So that's all for today. Thank you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Hellcat.